I'm Keith Stephenson. I've lived in this house in Blacksburg for about 14 years. I'm a surgeon here in the local community. I like to run, ski, and travel, and I'm also a member of the Blacksburg Master Chorale, so I'm often singing. We like living here in the woods because of being surrounded by nature. So we have a lot of trees on the lot, and not only were we looking for roof replacement, but also specifically gutter replacement with leaf guards to keep the debris that falls every spring and every fall from clogging up the gutters, which is a real issue in this neighborhood because of the tall trees we're surrounded by. I started by going on the Owens Corning website after researching different grades of shingles, starting with a Consumer Reports article that came out earlier this spring rating the different quality of product. Cenvar Roofing was listed as a preferred contractor for Owens Corning materials, and the Consumer Reports article had information that indicated that because of roofing guarantees and expertise in installing the product, that it recommended that customers go with preferred contractors that are listed on the company's website. I picked Cenvar because of the professionalism of the salesman, the detail and the thoroughness in which he described the installation process and the product, and his familiarity with certain aspects of the roofing process, such as sheeting and protection for ice damage, and installing the shingles around skylights, as well as the caps on the top of the roofs at the ridge line with venting. The project manager was very easy to work with. He kept in contact with me about the scheduling, which had to be adjusted a couple of times because of bad weather leading up to our job, which delayed some other projects. I had a couple of questions during the process that I directed to him, and he responded promptly by phone and kept me informed throughout the entire project. The professionalism of Cenvar Roofing was first rate from start to finish. Right from the initial phone call to securing an on-site estimate, the delivery of the estimate both in writing and by email, scheduling of the project, keeping me informed of any scheduling delays due to weather, and the progress of the work throughout the days that it was being done. And then finally with the completion of the gutter project, and now here today answering your questions. Very easy, very smooth, top notch from start to finish.